Hey Jamie, you free for a quick call? I've got vacation brain and a wild idea.
Ha, I'm scared already. What is it?
Let's take a trip next month. Just the two of us. Somewhere warm, fun, and far from work emails.
I'm listening. Any place in mind, or is this one of your we'll figure it out at the airport plans?
Okay, fair. I was thinking maybe Costa Rica? Rainforests, beaches, ziplining. What's not to love?
Ooh, that actually sounds amazing. I've always wanted to be there. When were you thinking?
Mid-August? Flights are still decent, and I checked, we both have that week off.
Nice. Let's do it. Should we split the planning? You handle activities, I'll figure out flights and accommodations.
Deal. But I reserve the right to throw in at least one surprise detour.
As long as it doesn't involve sleeping in a tent without Wi-Fi, I'm in.
No promises, but I'll aim for fun chaos, not disaster chaos.
You always do. Let's make a shared doc tonight and start booking tomorrow.
Done. This is going to be epic.
Sure.